Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Connected Devices right away. Then tap on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Now you need to select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them by choosing this gear next to paired device and clicking on Forget next to Connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!